Grade 10s, we are looking at another analytical question, and here we have a floor plan and an elevation on your left hand side, and we have a list of questions here on your right hand side with the empty spaces where you are going to fill in all your answers, which you will retrieve from either the floor plan or you will have it in your title bar at the bottom here. So let's zoom in and look at what those questions are. So if you look at question number 1, what is the project number for the drawing? You go down to your title bar and you will find that the project number is there, 456 DBE, and that's the number you are going to fill in that space over there. Question number 2, who prepared the drawing? So we're going to go back to the title bar and you will find that the person who prepared the drawing is also the one who drew it. So drawing actually means that the person has prepared it, and that would be Ruan E. And Ruan E is going to be filled in there. Number 3, what scale is indicated on the drawing? The scale is either given to you in a space here, or alternatively you will find it in that space over there. 1:300 is your scale. If you look at number 4, how many drawings are in the set of drawings? So if we look at our title bar here, you will see drawing number. This is number 1 of 3. So in the set there would be 3. So the number 3 is going to be filled in here. What floor finish? Number 5 will be used for the storeroom. So we go over to the storeroom and you will find there grano is the floor finish. Number 6, what does the symbol at A mean? And at the same time, we'll look at the symbol at B. So A and B, if we go here, you will find that A refers to that sliding door over there that close up the storeroom. And the arrow also indicates the direction of closing at this point. So that is what we're going to fill in there. So that is going to be a sliding door at A and the direction of closing. That means how the door closes, the direction in which the door will close. And B, you will find right at the bottom here, it refers to that specific arrow right there. And always remember, it refers to the platform here in this case, and not the door, because this is a swing door. The swing tells you the opening of the door. That refers to the arrow there, and the 1:4 ratio that we will have there. This is a ramp that we see here, which means it goes up. If we go to the answer block, you will fill in the arrow means up. Number 8, what feature is indicated by C? So we look at C. That is the feature we're looking at here, which is the level on the inside of the floor plan, and that is your finish floor level, which could be abbreviated as FFL. Finish floor level. Number 9, what electrical symbol is indicated by D? So if you look at D over here, that symbol is a double pole, one way. A double pole switch. So that goes one way. It's a double pole switch which you are going to fill in at number 9. You will see that the double pole has 2 little ticks here, which will indicate that the one is the switch for the fluorescent light, which is that over there. The other switch is the on switch for the wall mounted light, which you see on the outside. Number 10, what electrical symbol is indicated by E? So if you look at E here, that is a switched wall socket. A switched wall socket. We go to number 11. What would view 1 be labeled? And at the same time, what elevation is view 2? So if you look at this, you have to look at your direction symbol here. If you place that direction symbol right here, you're going to find that the point shows here, which is north. This is south here at the bottom, which means that is west, and this is east. And if you look at this view over here, it reflects this side here because that's your window and that's your door. Just swapped around. So that means that view 1 will be called your north elevation, meaning that it is on this side and the arrow points to this side, which classify that to be your north elevation. And of course, if you look at view 2, you will find that view 2 is going to be the floor plan. Let's go to the next number 13. What graphical symbol is indicated by F? So we look at the graphical symbol at F, which is this here. That is your direction, north direction symbol. North point or north direction symbol. Number 14. What do the lines at G indicate in the window? So if you look at the lines here, that refers to the window opening. If we go to the next one, number 15, very important, higher order. In the space that's going to be provided here by number 15, which is in this space over here, you need to determine the perimeter of the entire greenhouse in meters. So the entire floor plan's perimeter must be calculated. So perimeter means that you have to take all the sides and add them. 2 long sides and 2 short sides must be added. We must have our answer in meters. So what we're going to do, immediately convert this to meters. So we're not going to say 8,500, but we're going to say 8.5. That converts it to meters. And we're going to have here, instead of 4,000, we're going to say 4. So 2 4,000s and 2 8.5s will give you an answer of 25 meters. That is going to be 2 8.5s and 2 4 meters. That's going to give you 25 meters, which you're going to write in here. And then number 16, in the space provided here for number 16, you need to determine the total area of the entire greenhouse. So the entire area of everything here. That means that the formula for area is length times breadth. So you're going to take 8.5, which is the length, and you times it by 4. And the answer to that is 34 meters square. 34 meters square. If you take 8.5 times 4. So that is the value you're going to write in there. Here at the bottom in your calculation. And you need to show all the calculation. In the space provided for number 17, in the title panel, which is going to be up here, you must draw neatly freehand the front view and top view of the South African Bureau of Standards 10143 convention for a wash basin. And learners, if you go back to your notes, that is a wash basin over here. You need to draw that symbol at the bottom and that symbol on top, which will give you the front view and top view. This being your top view and this being your front view. So we will have to draw this above this over here. And it has to be neatly freehand. Learners, and that concludes this analytical drawing. Please make sure that you fill in all the answers according to the explanations given to you.